Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must run as administrator, otherwise you cannot change system letters. First, close apps that use the drive, then open disk management from the Start menu or run disk mount. MSC. Once disk management appears, scan the list and identify the target SSD by size, model, or partition layout. This avoids changing the wrong volume. Make sure you note the current letter so you can revert if needed. With the correct disk selected, right-click the partition to access next step actions. Once you right-click the partition, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths to open the dialog. Click Change, then select an unused letter from the drop-down. Pick one outside of network mappings to avoid conflicts. You should receive a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully because open handles can block the change. If Windows warns about programs relying on the path, close them and proceed. After confirming, Windows assigns the letter. Make sure to restart any affected software so they recognize the new path. After assigning the new letter, verify it appears in both Disk Management and File Explorer so the system and apps see the update. If the change fails, make sure no files or services are holding the volume. Use Task Manager to close handles or temporarily disable antivirus. Once done, you can use DiskPart as an advanced option. Open an elevated CMD, run DiskPart, then list volume, select the correct volume, and assign letter equals X. If problems persist, restart. That often clears locks and finalizes the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.